This 2024 Dutchmen Yukon 320RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corpus Christi, Texas, 78409 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Corpus Christi. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 162 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.